Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about compound interest. We'll start by clear up the difference between simple interest and compound interest. Then I will share a quick shortcut trick for solving compound interest questions over a 2 years period. Let's start. Principal is $200, rate is 3%, time is 2 years. First we'll see how to find the simple interest for the given values. So asking 2 years, so we have to find for the 2 years. So the year 1, what is 3% of 200? So how can you find out? The principal you consider as a 100%, so 100% is 200. So 10% is 20, then 1% is 2. So if you multiply both sides by 3, you will get 3%. So what is 3% of 200? Which is 6. So now go for the year 2. Year 2 also we have to find out 3% of $200. So we will get $6. For 2 years simple interest is $12. This is for the simple interest. Now I show you the compound interest. The compound interest for the year 1 you have to find out 3% of $200. What is 3% of $200? Which is $6. After you gain the interest in year 1, you have to add to the principal. Adding the $200, you will get $206. Now this is your principal. In year 2, you have to find out 3% of this new principal. So now find out what is 3% of $206. So this 206 considered as $100. 10% is $20.6, 1% is $2.06. After multiply both sides by 3, you will get $6.18. So for the year 2, interest is $6.18. So for the 2 years, the interest is $12.18. In simple interest, you gain $12 for interest. In compound interest, you gain the interest is $12.18. So what do you observe here? So simple interest and compound interest are same for the year 1. Simple interest is same for all years, but in compound interest is different for all the years. Year 1 is $6, year 2 is $6.18. It's increasing, it's not same. In compound interest, the interest is computed on the principal and also accumulated interest. Now I'll show you one more problem to make it clear the difference between compound interest and simple interest. Now the question is, the principal is $1,000, rate is 10% and time is 3 years. So you have to find out for 3 years here. So first find the first year, year 1. Year 1, what is the simple interest? You have to find out 10% of 1,000. What is 10% of 1,000? Principal you consider as a 100,000. 100% is 1,000, 10% is 100. So for the year 1 you gain $100 as interest. So year 2 also you gain $100. Year 3 also you will gain $100. So for the 3 years the simple interest is $300. Now we will see the compound interest. For the year 1, 10% of $1,000 is $100. Now this $100 you have to add to the principal, then you will get the new principal. End of the first year you will have $1,100. The next year you have to find out 10% of $1,100. So $110. So end of the year 2 you will gain $1,210. So now this is your principal. Then year 3, now you have to find out what is 10% of $1,210. So what is 10% of $1,210? You will get $121. So each and every time you have to add up to the principal. Then you have to find the next year. Total interest, compound interest is $331. Compound interest is calculated based on the account balance at the end of each year. This is the way to find the compound interest. Now I am going to show you a trick how to find compound interest questions over 2 years period. Principal is $4,000, rate is 10% and time is 2 years. The shortcut is A plus B plus A times B by 100. So this is the shortcut way to find the compound interest. This formula is applicable only for 2 years. Let's find out what is a compound interest. So A is rate. So A value is 10. B also rate. B value also 10 plus 10 times 10 divided by 100. So this is cancelled. Here you will get 1. So 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. Compound interest is 21%. Now find out 21% of the principal. So what's our principal? 4,000. So find out what is 21% of 4,000. Principal always considered as 100%. So 100% is 4,000. 10% is 400. 10% is 400. What is 20%? 20% is 800. 1% is 40. So you have to add 40. 800 plus 40, you will get 840. So this is your compound interest for the 2 years. Using this formula, you can find the compound interest questions over 2 years period. I will show you another example. An account of $3,500 is invested in a savings account which pays a compound interest rate of 7.5% per annum. Calculate the balance accumulated by the end of 2 years. Here also they are asking 2 years. The principal is $3,500 and the time period is 2 years and the rate is 7.5%. What is our shortcut for the 2 years? A plus B plus A times B over 100. So A is our rate. So 7.5 plus 7.5 plus 7.5 times 7.5 over 100. So 7.5 plus 7.5 will get 15. After calculation, 7.5 times 7.5 will get 56.25. 56.25 divided by 100, which is equal to 0.5625. So after adding, you will get 15.5625. So this is in terms of percentage. Now find out 15.56% of 3,500. Here 15.56 you can divide into 10%, 5%, 0.5%, 0.06%. After adding all this, you will get 15.56%. The principal you consider as a 100%. 100% is 3,500. 10% is 350. 1% is 35. 0.1% is you have to move 3 digits and place a decimal point, then you will get 3.5. Here 10% is 350. Then 1% is 35. If you multiply with times 5, you will get 5%. 35 times 5 is 175. Then 0.1% is 3.5. After multiplying 5 on both sides, you will get 0.5% is 17.5. So then 0.06% is 2.1. After adding this all, you will get is 544.6. If you want to get the amount for this interest add to the principal, then you will get the amount. So principal is 3,500, interest is 544.6. After adding, you will get your amount. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel to get more interesting topics in future. I will explain one more example. The question is, a man took a loan from a bank at the rate of 10% per annum at compound interest. After 2 years, he paid total amount of 14,520. The principal amount borrowed by him was. This is the question. So, what's the trick to find the interest percentage for the 2 years? The trick is A plus B plus A times B divided by 100. So the A value is 10, B value is 10. So then 10 times 10, you will get 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 1, 21%. We have to find out 21% of principal, but here principal is not giving. How can you find the principal? So interest is 21%. When you get the amount, the interest add to the principal, then only you get the amount. This principal you consider as a 100%. The interest is 21%. So this total is 121%. So we know the amount 14,520. 121% is 14,520. We always consider the principal as 100%. So now we have to find the principal. What you have to do here, do cross multiplication. So P is equal to 14,520 times 100 divided by 121. After calculation is 12,000. Thank you for watching.